Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. In front of me I have the UMI 6440 front sway bar for 1973 to 1987 GM square body trucks. So this bar is 1 3/8" diameter, nice and stiff but not too stiff, really flattens the truck out during cornering, makes it not wobble so much side to side, good stuff. Comes with greasable polyurethane bushings here. Poly end links, so performance upgrade on that over rubber. You can also use the billet 90048 brackets to upgrade. Greasable once again, built aluminum, pretty awesome stuff. It also can be used with the 6443 rear sway bar for a nice balanced handling truck. And if your truck did not come with a sway bar, we actually make some standoffs, part number 6444 and 6445, so that you can bolt that to the chassis of your truck and then bolt the sway bar to it. Nice handling upgrade for your square body truck. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.